Hello, my friends. This is Carmen, and I am here with a Destash that I purchased. I purchased this Destash. I believe her name is So Crafty 100. Let me just double check. Um, I just literally just arrived a few minutes ago. I didn't even give it time to get warm or anything. So I have the chance now to do this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and just share it real quick. And yes, her name is So Crafty 100. That's one word. I will leave a link to her channel down below. She also goes by the same name on Instagram, I believe, and she also does D-stashes through Instagram as well, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully I'm not confusing her with somebody else. But definitely I'm gonna leave a link to her channel down below. Now this was like a mystery box. It was fairly inexpensive. All you had to do was kind of pay for the shipping. She has really good prices, you guys, and I'm very intrigued to see what is in here because it is quite heavy. So we'll see. And I have it on the other side. I didn't want to share her address. Ooh. And as soon as I saw the video, I was like, ooh, I love a mystery. Let me try one of these. Plus the price, it was really good. And I've been seeing her doing other D-stashes. Oh, there we go. Ooh, almost couldn't get it out. They're really, really strong. Ooh. There are some goodies in here. Oh boy, oh boy. Yes. Now the box says Valentine on the outside. I almost got scared. I don't know if I should be scared or not, but we'll see what's in here. So yeah, this is a mystery box unveiling from So Crafty 100. So let's see. The first thing that fell out are these washi tapes. Can't see myself on my screen. Did I start recording yet? Yes, I did. Where's the other video at? Hold on one second, you guys. I can't find my. There it goes. It was behind the windows. I couldn't see it. All right. It's always something with me, you guys. All right. So, two washis. Right here. Let's see. Right on the outskirt, I have some trim, some eyelash trim in black. A little bag of assorted buttons. We have this trims, little ribbons. Let's see. Pulling out all the little small stuff that I can see. This is another trim, another like lace trim. It's called Flat Lace by We Are Memories Keeper. That's a flat lace. Let's see. We have an S. We have some bling. So I'll definitely be putting into some kind of mixed media. Let's see. Ooh, we have a box of ideology fragments. Awesome. I was running out of these, so perfect timing. Okay. And these are by Tim Holtz, if I didn't say that. This is Poetic Wanderlust. Pack of flowers. Ooh, let's see, another pack of flowers. These are yellow. I think these are from Michaels. Yeah, from Michaels, the paper flowers. I like that. It's really pretty. In orange and in yellows. I love orange. Not to wear on an everyday basis, but I believe orange is a very magnetic kind of color. Okay, this is a graduation ribbon, which I probably won't use the 2008. Well, maybe I could use it in mixed media since we're already past that by a long shot. But yeah, super cool. I like the other trims that are in here as well. Okay, we have some Miss Elizabeth's handmade stickers. We have some more stickers, I believe. They're all like a little stack here. So let's see if I can group these and share these. We got some holographic love letters. I like these little cute ones. I can definitely use those in some of my albums. I'm gonna give that to Sasson. This is accent stickers. These are rub-ons. They got like little butterflies and like little hearts. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pizza. Yeah. We have some yellow alphas, right? Yep, yellow alphas. Ooh, Italy. I like this one. Very cool. Oh, we have a stamp and a die with a little owl. How super cute that is. And it says, I'll always be your friend. Happy Valentine's Day. So we did get some Valentine's Day things in here. So this was a Valentine's Day box. With some other things as well. We have tape trends, adhesive borders, some more. I'm going to give these to Sasson. I think he can use those in his art journaling. Just some other little random Valentine stickers. We have this one with the ice cream truck. This one's super cool. Oh my god, Mr. Softy. It looks just like that too. I haven't had a Mr. Softy in forever, you guys. In forever. I so miss the sound of that ringing bell. Alright, we got this one as well. Super awesome. These are gonna look really, really cool in some journals and stuff. And we still got more, you guys. Found another washi tape. These are like those eBay washi tapes that you buy. They send you like 10 for $1. We have some black charms and beads. Yep, here goes the rest of them. These are those eBay tapes. Sent to you in a bundle. Let's see. Oh, we have these big white Craft Smart. These are fabric, it says? Yep, fabric flowers. These are fabric flowers, not paper. What do we have here? Ooh, we have a little baggie here. We have some frames. Ooh, alterable for sure. It says, I love donuts when you're near. I do nuts when you're near. Okay, no matter how you say it, that ish don't make no damn sense. I donuts when you're near. It's supposed to say I go nuts, I guess, but there's no nuts. Let me just leave that one alone. Okay. Yeah, let's keep things light and sweet, just like this one says. See, this one makes sense. This one, I tried a little too hard for that one. At least I have some nuts in the package. Anywho, let's keep this moving. Ooh, I got a paper punch by McGill. This one has like a star shape on it. We have shimmer spritz, golds, and silver. I mean, she put a lot of good stuff in this box, you guys. And like I said, it was really inexpensive. I think it was mostly covering the price of shipping more than anything. I think I paid like 30 bucks or something like that, or less than that. So we have some shimmer sprays in here in silver and in gold. I'm going for whatever's small in the bag first. We have here a key, and we have here some, what they call it, flat ribbon. We have some brick rack type trim. Oh, we have another, ooh, another punch, and it's of a Cupid. Oh, super cool. And by McGill. Let's see. Oh, some beads for mixed media. That's usually what I use those types of things in. Let's see. Some more beads. Like these, I would use them for like chunky charms or something like this. These, I would definitely use them for like mixed media and stuff like that. Or to alter other things. Okay, we have one wooden stamp, and it's of a gift. It's of a gift. Okay, I think we have a whole bunch of letters here. Yep. Like a whole bunch of letters and stuff. So I'm not gonna open that, but that's more or less what's in there. A whole bunch of like letters and a silver glitter. We have an ice cream cone. Yeah, I see a whole. Ooh, I like this. It's very pretty. We have a whole stamp set. Not just knots, refill, recharge. Oh, I think something else was in there. Oh no, that's what was in there. That's what goes in there. So all of these little cords, and then it has like these little I think they're like buttons or like makeshift yo-yos or something like that. I think they're like little yo-yos that you can make. I don't know, I'm not sure. We'll see that when I open it officially. Okay, another set of stamps. These are by Heather Bailey. And they look like that. Let's see. We have some trim with some little rhinestones on it. We have some paper, and this one's called Beaches. I love the sea, so that's perfect for me. Very cool. I could definitely see some cards out of this, and whatever ones I don't use, so I sort of use. Yeah, it's about 2 in the afternoon, and it's getting warm outside, and everybody's excited. Well, these are cool. I might even be able to use this in conjunction with my paper, my digital paper that I just released, Upon a Dream. These will definitely match. Not all of them, obviously, but some of them definitely will match with that. And this is called Out of Print. And it is by Hero Arts. And she sent me a pack of, it's called Poinsettia cardstock paper by Recollection, I believe. Yep. And it comes with 3 colors. It's got kind of like a craft color, a gray color, a cream color, and a red color. Well, pretty much those that you see there. And she sent me some loose 12 by 12s. And a thank you card from Yolanda. No, thank you, Yolanda. Thank you, thank you. All right, so in this we have, ooh, mushroom paper. Love that. Ribbit, we got a frog. We have this pattern here. Where should we go now? Up, up, and away. We have this one here. I used to have a whole bunch of these things, but I gave them all away, all these papers that I used to have. I gave them pretty much almost all away. This is really cute, I like that. Oh, some vellum. It says hearts that fill are always in bloom. I like that. Make your own magic. I like that too. This one says celebrate, and it's got like a moon and a star. It's got like a trail of moon and stars on there. And last but not least is this one right here. So some of these things I'm definitely going to be sharing with Sasso. Again, I'm not 100% sure on the price. I know it's really, really inexpensive and affordable. And I think for the price, I got a pretty good deal. Because I got some really cool stuff. Definitely like the paper pads. Never had too much cardstock, so that's definitely a bonus. The flowers always come in handy. So definitely a few things in here that I really like. Some of these stickers are awesome. Not all of them, I won't lie. I'd be telling you a lie if I told you I love them all, but definitely most of them. I'm just kind of divvying up real quick what I'm going to be giving to hubby. Stuff that I know for a fact that he'll be able to use. At least he's more masculine, more into his style. So this is everything that I got in this mystery box. I think it was pretty good. Like I said, I knew it was going to be randomness, which I'm okay with, because that's what collections are built. They're built on randomness, you guys. So pretty cool. The price was great. She still has these stashes going on, you guys, so go check it out. If you've never been to her channel before and first time visiting, let her know that you came over from Elemental Designs. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.